Welcome to Mercodia's How-To series. In this video we will demonstrate how to perform a manual wash according to Technical Note 340106. The first step in the manual wash process is to remove the liquid from the wells by inverting the microplate over a sink and tap several times against absorbent paper. Afterwards, hold the plate vertically over a sink and fill the wells with wash buffer using a squirt bottle. In this step, overflow is important to achieve a proper wash. Once the wells are filled, invert the microplate to completely remove the liquid from the wells. Repeat this process 5 more times for a total of 6 wash cycles. After the last cycle, invert the plate a final time to remove the liquid in the wells and follow up with tapping against absorbent paper until the wells are dry. Make sure the bottom of the plate is dry before you continue with the rest of the protocol according to the directions for use. If you have more questions, please contact technical support.